Hey guys, RJ. Well, today I'm going to show you how to install a security camera. A normal everyday camera that's wired. So, I already unboxed it. That was supposed to be in this video, which I had to keep trying to keep doing because I basically had to make this video 3 times. And that was because every time the camera was on, well, the camera would fall and it would hit the stop record button and it would be like half the video, and I don't feel like sending out 2 videos that are basically the same thing. So I just deleted those. The stand that this laptop is sitting on made me spill a bottle of bleach in our fish room. Bleach and fish equal dead fish, which sucks for me because, well, if our fish die, I'm in big trouble. But let's get this sucker installed just for the sake of it. I want to get this over with. I had to take this camera down 4 times just to make a simple video. Let's do this. Make sure you can see up there. So, this is what we're going to be installing on that board. Overhang. Here's the camera. We are using a Swan Ultra XL unmarked Swan 15-foot corded camera. You can see it has night vision in there. A nice 4H thing. Now, for policy reasons and safety reasons, there is something right behind this camera that I do not want any of you guys to see quite yet. That's a different video coming up, and I don't want to spoil it. And no, there is not going to be any behind the scenes. But I'm not going to show you what this looks like. I will tell you this is a nice, crystal clear 4HD camera. So, 4K camera. Well, let's get this installed. So I am using Philips. But that's just the standard thing people use nowadays, apparently. Philips is the easiest to buy. There's a screwdriver. There's a 4-square box down there, and this is the brain of the system from Swan. I sent this to the guy named Ben. He is a designer. He makes cases for laptops, scaffolding, stuff like that, out of metal and plastic. In this case, he got a 4-square electrical box that I already mounted down there. And this fits on it, so this is where the camera goes, and this is the feed in. Unfortunately, I also can't show you on the camera because I don't have a telecommunication or DSL cord for that to plug into a modem, to then plug into a H496 television that has DSL connection on the back of it that I can use to watch the feed. And this is just live feed. So this will not send you any signals. You can make it wireless. All that really does is it sends a signal out anything within 15 feet. It makes you sign in a password, specific password, and then you can feed the one camera I have up now. I also have 4 of those cameras in those Swan boxes down there. Of course, you can't see them yet, but yeah. So let's get this sucker mounted. So, like everybody does when they're putting screws in, they like doing this just to make it easier. Because I almost fell off the scaffolding. Screw this board in. Whoopsie doodles.
What?
I'm making a YouTube video down there.
Oh, nice.
Don't know how to put this camera up. I also accidentally spilled basically an entire can of bleach in the garage, right next to the fish. So I don't know what to do. But yeah. That was my brother. I can't do hardcore anymore. Shield I have just laying around. That on. It's good as new. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Any comments or questions, make sure to leave those down in the comment section down below. And have a nice day. Video here, subscribe here.